pfSense. Interfaces. By default, pfSense only has a single physical port on the LAN interface. So how do I add more physical ports to the LAN interface? This router has 5 physical ports. I will create a group of physical ports. They connect to devices on the local network, such as switches or computers. Follow these steps. Add the physical ports on pfSense. The new interfaces are named OPT1, OPT2, and OPT3. Port 4. OPT2. Port 5. OPT3. First, enable each new interface. OPT1. Enable interface. Apply changes. Interfaces. OPT2. Enable interface. Apply changes. Interfaces. OPT3. Enable interface. Apply changes. Save. With these 3 new interfaces, I create a new bridge. OPT1, OPT2, and OPT3. Bridge LAN. This is how to create a group of physical ports that perform the same function. You do the following. Interfaces. Assignments. Bridges. Add a new bridge. Member interfaces. Add unused interfaces. OPT1, OPT2, and OPT3. Ignore LAN and WAN interfaces. Description. Bridge LAN. A new bridge has been created, but it has not yet been assigned to the LAN interface. Therefore, I will assign it to the LAN interface next. At that point, the original physical port will be removed from the LAN interface and replace the original physical port with the 3 physical ports that have been grouped together and named Bridge LAN. Select Bridge LAN from the drop-down list and assign it to the LAN interface. Save. If you are using a computer on the local network to configure pfSense, you connect the cable to one of the physical ports on Bridge LAN. Otherwise, you cannot access pfSense. For example, you use a LAN cable connected to port 5. Note that port 2 is not used at this time. I added port 2 to the Bridge LAN. After completion, I have 4 physical ports connected to the internal network on pfSense. Adding a new unused port. Add. The new interface is named OPT4. Enable OPT4 interface. Apply changes. Add OPT4 to Bridge LAN. Bridges. OPT1, OPT2, and OPT3. Edit. Member interfaces. OPT4. There are a total of 4 interfaces on the Bridge LAN. Thus, I have completed creating a Bridge LAN on pfSense to increase the number of physical ports connected to the internal network. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.